Hello everyone, and welcome to this update on the cold spell. So today we're focusing on the peak of the cold spell coming up over the weekend, and then the breakdown. So starting off with our GFS 12Z run from today, Wednesday. So through today and through tonight and tomorrow, we're pulling in this easterly winds before it backs northerly into the weekends. We see a trough sort of in the flow as well, so there's a possibility of more widespread winteriness into Saturday and Sunday, but that is very uncertain. And then these lows start coming in. They try on Monday but fail. Then through Tuesday and Wednesday, they push in, bringing their rain, winds, and mild air. So we go zonal with the lows to north, highs to south. Classic wet, windy, westerly, southwesterly pattern. Just constant lows coming in. A deluge comes back basically. Our deluge. Until the 13th of December, when this deep low ends up going southwards, and the high reaches from the Azores to Europe, over Ireland and the UK, bringing frost and fog, I'd say. Temperatures are miles at a 50 HPA, but on the surface, I'd say we'd be into some quite chilly air, especially at nights. Here's a GFS upper ensemble for Dublin. So again, around here is going to go milder. There's a few cold members, but the vast majority are now miles. Again, yeah, that one's very, very cold, but generally it's miles. Snow row is like this. A few showers coming up through over the next few days. After that, a few snow spikes, but I say that's unreliable. Gory, like very few snow spikes. And after that, nothing much really. We go down to Cork. By the way, wintry showers is like anything from icy rain to snow. So I mean, even a shower with a bit of sleet in it is wintry. Cork, very little. Limerick, again, struggling in Limerick, I'd say. Galway, it's not very good, is it? A few ones there, but I mean, that's doing the milder air masses, so I don't know. So I'd say that these are those cold members we saw earlier. Cavan, nothing, well, actually, quite consistent spikes here. So those are obviously the cold members. Dundalk, quite looking, yeah, very consistent, and less Kenny, but very unreliable, as you saw, quite a few there. But as the graph shows, very mild temperatures are likely here. So I mean, snow risks, I'd say, very low in reality, but just those that are cold are showing snow. We're looking at the GFS first. UK precip type mouse over. So again, through tonight and tomorrow, showers into eastern areas, some wintry at times there. Beyond that, actually snowfall in the south of the UK for a time tomorrow. After that, some more showers into the east. Also some into the north later on as well. Into the weekend, there's that little feature to our south that needs watching. Otherwise, we're dry. Into Sunday, Monday, we're dry and very, very cold. After that, what happens? This little band of rain comes in through Tuesday, and that opens the door to westerly winds, our traditional Irish wet, windy weather. No snow at all, apart from over Scotland. Here is our ECMWF 12Z run from today, Wednesday. Okay, so Thursday through Friday, winds easterly, backing northerly. We see a sort of, the ECM has a milder push on Sunday actually, this sort of low coming in. Then it comes over us, and we go cold again through Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday. The ECM is different. It keeps the north cold anyway throughout much of next week. After that, it goes milder. Let's look at the forecast for upper temperatures in particular, actually. Yeah, so north stays below freezing in terms of temperatures at 850 HPA. In the south, it was milder properly. After that, yeah, it got milder. Here is the ensemble graph for Dublin for upper air temperatures. ECMWF. Yeah, so that's 2 minutes temperature. Let me just get that back. Upper air temperature. Okay. Yeah, so it's actually at the colder end of the range, you see what I mean? Most members are milder. Here's the type forecast from that ECM WF12 they'd run. So, if we run through this, we don't want this in the way, it just takes a few times. There we go. So showers into the east, actually quite widely inland into the morning. These snow showers get inland. These green colours here. After that, showers in the north as well. Through the weekend, some more general areas of winteriness possible, like hit there in the north on Saturday. Then this thing comes into the north on Sunday. Just winteriness there. After that, we go milder, especially in the south, but in the north it's still rain, even though it's colder there. After that, it's just, yeah, that low comes in and off we go, mild, wet, windy. Here's the UK Met run. So this is Wednesday. This is Wednesday's run. So tomorrow easterly winds, then northerly winds through Friday. We get a little trough, but some milder air does come into it. So it's mainly rain that we see with this, I'd say. Then this little low comes up from the south on Monday. Details uncertain. Upper temperatures are like this. So it will not rain in the south and southeast because there's this 0 Celsius isotherm here. But elsewhere, it can snow. It could snow, depending on exact dew points parameters. But I'd say, like is that it'll be just winteriness, if anything. Here's our... Why is it that there? Here's our UKV high-res forecast. So, starting off... Okay, so tonight we're going to see showers going inland. You see a lot of pinks there, showing that there'll be winteriness there. And they do push quite far inland by 7 a.m. You know, they're reaching quite far inland there, those showers. So, I mean, if you're over the... if you're anywhere in the east and southeast, and possibly even into the South Midlands, UKV has showers reaching you. And over the mountains of Wicklow, I'd say you get a covering of snow by morning if they're all snow and they pepper you. You know, I mean, on the coast, it'll be rain and sleet, but inlands, especially over higher grounds, there's snow potential here. After that, it's a showery tomorrow, and into Thursday night as well. Those showers pull away to Friday, before more showers move into the north as the wind backs northerly. They're wintry as well. Rain, hail, sleet. After that, we get a very cold night, Friday night, Saturday, with fog and frost. After that, we get this little system coming in. Again, there's a milder push with that, so unfortunately not really snow. And then after that, we just go milder in general. Here's our GEM forecast. So very similar here. You know, it's happening tomorrow and Friday. So very showery in the east and north. Okay, GEM is disappointing. It's mild of a Sunday. Southerly winds. Wow. Just wow. What a letdown. After that, we're right into this milder spell. No hope whatsoever. Just look at that deep washing machine over here, spiraling around bands of rain and showers. The precipitation is like this. Yeah, washing machine of rain and showers. Here's our GEM. Where are we now? Ensembles for Dublin. Ensembles like this. Okay, the GEM, right, is at the moderate end of the range here through the 4th of December, when most members are colder than that, thankfully. And then it gets milder like every other member after it. So yeah, it's gonna get milder. It's gonna get milder at some point, if not on Monday. Right. For some reason, it always makes me go to the search page after I get out of get out of UKV. Here's our GEM precip type forecasts. So here we go. We see the showers coming in tomorrow, Friday. Very straightforward. After that's not really anything of the weekend. Sort of downgraded it. What do you expect with the cold spell? I mean, we are really favoured for snow, aren't we, guys? Very much favoured. After that, we go into this low pressure dominated spell. You guessed it, it's rainy. Southerly winds, big storms, lovely. Icon 12Z, because that gets to that reaches a lot further out. Again, Thursday, easterly winds, back in northern on Friday, showers on exposed coasts, some wintry, especially over higher ground, where some snow may accumulate. After that, we see the lows to the south on Monday. More widespread, I'd say, more widespread wintry risks there. After that, we go milder, as expected, with southerly winds. Though the cold air isn't that far away, and there is a high pressure to the east trying to build. Here we go. Out of this icon, UK precip type. Get rid of it. Right. So we know the showers is the east through tonight, tomorrow. Some wintry and snow, especially over Wicklow. Now, snow over Wicklow, I'd say, on the mountains. Elsewhere, rain, hail, sleet. Is the main story. After that, we go forwards. A little bit of wintriness popping up there, but I'd say there's nothing very much. What do we get here? Now, this little feature is just off the south coast. It brings snow to Wales, but not here. But even if it came inland, I doubt it would bring snow. At most, a bit of sleet. Here is the arpege run. Again, it says cold air tomorrow and Friday over the weekend. Arpege loves the idea of turning it milder into Monday, it seems, with plenty of rain. Here's our arpege precip type forecasts. Here we go. UK precip type. Where are you? Yeah, we're on it. Precip just means type as well. On the arpege run. So we know what's happening. Showers into the east there, some wintry flakes as well. What happens after that? Showers stay into Friday morning in the south and the east, and then they focus in the north on Friday, and that should get quite far inland for a time. What happens after that? Very cold and frosty over the weekends. After that, not looking very good as this band of rain approaches, probably bring its milder air and opening the door to all its friends, all its front friends from the southwest, to introduce their mild air, and so on. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and bye for now.